Ever wondered how a single exercise could transform your body in ways you can't even imagine? Well, brace yourself for an astonishing fact. The humble squat, often overlooked and underrated, holds the power to radically change your body. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Now, here's a surprising fact. The simple act of bending your knees and lowering your body can burn more calories per repetition than almost any other exercise. Yes, you heard that right. Squats are a calorie-incinerating powerhouse, and the reason behind this is fascinating. When you perform a squat, you're not just working your quads or glutes, you're engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, from your core to your calves. This full body engagement leads to a higher calorie burn and makes your workouts more efficient. So daily squats can turn your workouts into a calorie incinerating machine. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now that we know the power of squats, let's delve into how they transform our bodies over time. As we embark on this squatting journey, let's begin at the foundation, your lower body. With each squat, your glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps are engaged, creating a symphony of muscle activity. This symphony over time begins to compose a beautiful piece known as toning and strengthening. You'll start to notice a firmer feel in your thighs and a lift in your glutes. It's like your lower body is saying a hearty thank you for the workout. Now let's move up the body to the core. Squats are a secret weapon for core strength and stability. As you lower your body into a squat, your abdominal and back muscles are called into action, working overtime to keep you balanced. This is like a covert operation for your core, and over time you'll notice improved posture and stability, making everyday tasks seem like a breeze. But the magic of squats doesn't stop there. As your muscles work hard during each squat, they're not just toning and strengthening, they're also growing. This increase in muscle mass is like adding more engines to your body's metabolic train, helping it chug along at a faster pace. A faster metabolism means your body is burning energy more efficiently, which can lead to weight loss and improved body composition. As the weeks turn into months, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Your clothes might fit better, you might feel stronger and more energetic, and you might even notice that you're losing weight without making drastic changes to your diet. From the subtle toning of your legs to the revving up of your metabolism, squats are a full body makeover in one exercise. From toning your legs to revving up your metabolism, daily squats truly are a full body makeover in one exercise. But squats aren't just about looking good, they're about feeling good too. Indeed, the benefits of squats extend far beyond the sculpting of your thighs and glutes. When you squat, you're engaging in an activity that promotes holistic health. And by holistic, we mean the totality of your being, body, mind, and spirit. Let's start with the physical aspects. Squats are a weight-bearing exercise, meaning they put pressure on your bones. And what happens when pressure is exerted on your bones? They respond by becoming stronger and denser. So in essence, squats are a natural defense against osteoporosis, that pesky condition that makes your bones brittle and weak. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also enhance your balance and mobility. This is because the exercise requires a certain level of coordination and core strength. You see, every time you squat, you're not just working your leg muscles, but you're also engaging your core. As a result, your body learns how to stabilize itself, and over time, you'll notice that you're not just stronger, but more agile and balanced too. Now let's talk about the heart. Yes, your heart. Squats get your blood pumping and improve cardiovascular health. It's like giving your heart a mini workout, making it stronger and more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. And we all know a healthy heart is a happy heart. Finally, we come to the mental aspect. You know that feel-good sensation you get after a workout? That's because exercising, like doing squats, releases endorphins, the so-called happy hormones. These endorphins interact with the receptors in your brain that reduce your perception of pain and trigger a positive feeling in the body. So squats don't just make you look good, they make you feel good too. So not only can daily squats help you achieve the body of your dreams, but they can also keep you healthy and happy from the inside out. Ready to join the squatting revolution? Here are some tips to get you started. First things first, let's talk about form and technique. Squatting is not about simply bending your knees and getting back up, it's a full body movement. Ensure your feet are hip-width apart, toes slightly pointed outwards. As you descend, keep your back straight, chest out, and push your hips back as if you're about to sit on a chair. Go as low as your flexibility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor. On your way up, push through your heels, maintaining that straight back and chest out position. Now, you might be thinking, 100 squats a day, that's a bit much. And you're absolutely right. Starting small is the name of the game. Try doing 10 squats on your first day, then add 5 more each day. Before you know it, you'll be doing 50, 70, even 100 squats a day without breaking a sweat. Staying motivated and consistent can be a challenge, especially when life gets busy. But here's a trick. Incorporate squats into your daily activities. Watching your favorite show, do some squats during the adverts. Waiting for your morning coffee to brew? Perfect time for a quick squat session. It's all about making the most of your time and turning those idle moments into opportunities for progress. And the most important tip of all, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with every squat you do, you're one step closer to a stronger, healthier you. So are you ready to embark on your own squatting journey, to feel the burn, embrace the challenge, and see the transformative effects for yourself? Just imagine a few weeks from now, looking into the mirror and seeing a stronger, more toned version of yourself staring back. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your squats exercise adventures. Remember, consistency is key. Start your daily squat routine today and witness a transformation you never thought possible. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.